It's mango season again, and we're making full use of it. So today we're making something that we call masala mango. To begin, I'm using 2 mangoes that I've cut and cleaned and washed. And now we're going to boil them. The boiling process removes some of the sourness from in the mango. Normally you'll put some salt in the water, or even better some baking soda, as the baking soda takes away all that sourness and gives the mango a different texture. It also makes the finished product more appetizing, as it helps all the flavors to soak in even better when you boil it with the baking soda. So once you would have boiled it, now I am placing in some spices so that I can make juice. That's why I didn't put any salt before. But once it's boiled and it's soft enough, you're going to set it aside, and then you're going to move on to the next process. These are all the ingredients here that we're going to need to make the mango. So we'll go through them one by one. First, into a pot with some oil, I'm placing some finely chopped garlic, and I'm allowing that to simmer just a bit before putting in my onions and flavoring pepper. We're going to mix that in as well before adding in our jeera and masala. Now we're going to fry up that jeera and masala, allow it to thicken a bit, and once it's thickened, we're going to add in some fritweed or shadowbeni as I know it. We're going to mix that in, and then we're going to place in the mango that we boiled before and set aside. Once that is inside, we're going to add in our salt, and we're going to mix in everything. We're going to make sure and coat the mango in that nice, thick, flavorful mixture before adding in our water and our sugar. At this point, I lowered my flame because remember I did not put any salt before, and now I want the mango to suck up all that rich flavor. So once it has thickened and I'm satisfied with the taste, I'm going to turn off the heat completely, and I'm still going to allow it to sit for about 15 minutes before serving. Now this is the finished product. Masala mango can be eaten by itself or with rotis, rice, bread. It can also be served as a condiment. It's sweet and it's packed with flavor. It's definitely something that you would want to try if you have never tried it. So hope you enjoyed my video. God bless you. I love you. Bye.